Hello, my name is Lucian Batavia, and I'm in 5th grade, and I'm in Miss Cookie classroom. And for my talent is cooking, and I'll be making a double berry cobbler. So right now we will be doing the filling. We will be having sugar, lemon zest, mint, and blueberries and blackberries. And I have butter in here, so I'm gonna pour it in right now. I'm gonna stir this up, and then I'm gonna put the lemon and the basil and the mint in it. Same with the lemon zest. And I'm gonna put the lemon in. And the oven beeped a couple of minutes ago, and it's preheated right now. And last, I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of white sugar. And when you know it's done, there, it is looking almost like red almost, and when it's soupy. And right now, I'm gonna put the berries in the grease pan. And now we will add some more lemon juice in it. And now I'll be making the ingredient crumble with salt, baking powder, and 1 cup of flour. Now we're making the second part of the crumble with brown sugar, and I have melted butter in here, softened, and I have vanilla extract. Now I'll be putting this into here, so then nobody crumbles. And now we're gonna mix it up pretty good. And now since our crumbs look like crumbles, we will be taking a spoonful and putting it on here. Now we are going to put it in the oven, which is at 350 right now, for about 30 minutes. It is now done, and I'm very excited to see. This is my first time ever making it. It looks super good.